Hey guys, you're back in another video on my channel. So today I'm showing you how to change the background for Chrome. So you see I have it blue, or you could change any picture. So over here, you see at the bottom right, you could see this like pencil button. You're gonna press it and it should show you customize this page. So over here you could choose your backgrounds. These are the custom. And if you need a picture from your device, you see you can just get these. Like let's say I need this. You see this is the background from my, so see these are them. So you can upload from your device or get a normal one, custom. So yeah, this is how you change it. And the second thing is how to change the top. So you see I have it as Galaxy. If you look clearly, you mean like what I mean by top is, see next to the new tab over there, you're gonna go into, you're gonna press this three dot icon, go to settings. So here's settings at the bottom. Now go and scroll down, and you should find an option which says appearance theme. Over here you could click on it, and then it will tell you the themes. You see I have this theme. So yeah, themes, this is where it should take you. It will give you themes. You see galaxy themes, pink themes, gray themes, waterfall, lots of stuff that you need. So yeah, and this is how you do the top, and this is how you do over here. So yeah, it's really easy. Bye. If you enjoyed the video.